Hello friends, good day to you all. I'm very happy to be here again today. I welcome you all to this channel. In today's video, I'll be talking on how you can earn 50 USDT daily. 50 USDT. USDT is a stable cryptocurrency that is equivalent in price and value with the US dollar. So you earning USDT means you are making US dollar also. So you'll be making nothing less than 50 USDT daily with USDT mining. So you'll be mining USDT cryptocurrency on your phone. Start making money online now. So this is an opportunity whereby you can turn your phone to a money making machine instead of your phone being a liability to you. By so doing, you will make your phone an asset. So you can start making money with your phone right now. It is very, very simple and it is very, very easy to set up. So this is an opportunity for you to make money online. So you tend to be financially free, secured and settled. But there are some opportunities that you shouldn't joke with. There are some opportunities that you shouldn't toy with, and this is one of them. So what you just need to do is to watch this video to the very end for you to have the full grasp of the information that I am about to share with you. But before I proceed, I want to let you know that this video is brought to you courtesy of this channel called Lasogenic Talk. Okay, Lasogenic Talk is a channel that is created to share with you my ideas on online investments platforms. So I review online investment platform here and I give you my sincere recommendation so that it can serve as a basis for a whole financial decision, because this channel is created for financial education and not for financial advice. For that reason, you are also expected to do your own due diligence and research before you venture into any of the content being shared here. Okay, if you are new on this channel or you are yet to subscribe, please kindly do that now. Subscribe to this channel. Also click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware whenever I upload new training video like this. Okay, and if after you have watched it you found it to be very, very meaningful to you, useful and helpful, then please don't forget and don't hesitate to like this video, give me a thumbs up and share with your friends and family, because this can be an information they have been waiting for so long for their financial turnaround. So ensure you give it the widest publicity you think it deserves. Thank you so much for doing that. And once again, what we are considering today is how to earn 50 USDT daily with USDT mining on your phone. Start making money now. All right, so the first thing that you need to do is you need to download this particular app here called Trust Wallet. So this is the icon here. This is how it looks like, Trust Wallet. So when you have downloaded it, Trust Wallet is a cryptocurrency safe place. That is a wallet whereby you keep your crypto asset. It is very, very safe and secured. You are the one responsible for the security of your wallet. No access to your wallet only if you reveal your seed phrase, your mnemonics, your private key and other things like that. So make sure that you keep it very safe. So just make sure you keep your seed phrase, your mnemonics, the private key, keep them in a very secure place, because the security. That the next thing for you to do is to turn on Coin. Actually, there are some coin whereby by default it will appear here on your wallet, like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, BNB, Litecoin, and the rest. They will appear here by default, but you need to turn these two coins on. So for you to turn these two coins on, you need to this Smart Chain and Binance BEP, PEG, BSC, USD BEP20, USDT BEP20. That is what we. So for this, so this icon. So when you click on this icon, then you search for USDT BEP20 and you search for Smart Chain, and then you turn them on. Let me search for USDT. You can see this is USDT BEP20 here. So then you turn it on. You can also turn any other coin on, and also smart chain. Smart chain has been turned on already. All right, so after you have done that, you need to deposit both smart chain and you need to deposit both smart chain and USDT BEP20 token. Smart chain and USDT BEP20 token, because you will be mining USDT. That is the reason why you need to deposit USDT in your Trust wallet. And you will need smart chain coin for the transaction fee whenever you are withdrawing to your external wallet, or for you to start the mining process. Okay, so for that reason, you need to deposit smart chain. Maybe like $1 to $3 will be enough for you, though you can't use up to $1 for the transaction fee, but just for frequent withdrawal fee, for subsequent withdrawal fee, you are going to be needing smart chain coin for the withdrawal transaction fee. All right, so that is the reason why I said like $1 to $3 smart chain dollars will be needed for you. And then in USDT BEP20, you are going to deposit the minimum of 4 USDT BEP20. So now, how will you be making $50 in a day? Let's do some calculation. So you can even earn more than $50 in a day. Let's assume you deposited $1,000, and you will be earning 2% of this on daily basis. You will be mining 2% of whatever you have deposited on daily basis. So let's assume you deposited $1,000 times 2%. So that is 20. That is 20. So let's assume you deposited 5,000. Sorry. So if you deposited $5,000, that is how much you'll be earning $100 daily. So if you deposited $3,000, $3,000, you will be earning 2% daily, which is 60 USDT, will be your profit on daily basis. And the amazing thing about this is that you can withdraw your money anytime. Since your money is in your Trust wallet and only you have the access to withdraw in your Trust wallet, so your money there, your capital remain intact. You can withdraw it anytime. You can withdraw it anytime. So after you have deposited there, the next thing for you to do, just check the description box of this video or go to our Telegram channel. You are going to see the link there that I'm going to drop there. Because if you are watching this video on your mobile device, for you to copy a link from the description box of video on YouTube might be somehow difficult. For that reason, I will drop it in the description box of this video. And also, you need to go to our Telegram channel, and you can also chat me up on WhatsApp for the link. So when you have copied the link, then you come down to the dApps section of your Trust wallet here. You click on dApps. You click on dApps, and then you paste the link in the search box here. You paste it here. And you click on enter. So it will take you down to this site called bscu5.com. bscu5.com. So it will take you down here. So the first thing that you need to do is that you need to change the logo here. So by default, it just will be in Ethereum. So just click on it and change it to Ethereum. Change it to Smart Chain. So you need to click on it. You can see right now it will be in Ethereum, but you just need to change it to Smart Chain. And also you can see that right now I have been mining. Before it shows mining here, it shows receive. It was initially received. So because I have already started, I have activated mine. That is why it is now mining. But for you that are yet to activate yours, you need to click on receive. And when you click on receive, it will bring a page whereby it will ask you to approve the transaction. By so doing, your wallet, your USDT will be linked up to this platform. So, and a very small transaction fee will be required. So that is the essence of you having Smart Chain in your wallet. So the transaction fee will be deducted from your Smart Chain so that you can start mining, so that the mining process will be activated. All right, so you will be mining 2% of whatever you have deposited in your USDT on daily basis. And mind you, your money is not with this platform. Your money is secured and it is safe in your Trust Wallet app. The only thing that you will come down here to do every day is to withdraw your profit. So let me explain better. Your capital is in your wallet, is in your Trust Wallet, but your profit is on this platform BSCU5.com. So you just need to click on account here. Click on account here. So whenever you have up to 0.1 USDT, you can click on the account here and withdraw. You can see what I have here. I have been able to mine 45.49 USDT, and right now in my wallet balance I have 19.02, and right now what I have to withdraw right now is 0.98. So I'm going to withdraw this 0.98 here, and it's going to reflect in my wallet. So only this profit is in my this platform called BSCU5.com, but my capital is still in my Trust Wallet. So it is very, very secured there and safe. So there's no cause for alarm. There is no panic about this. All right. So now let me withdraw the 0.98 that I have here to show you how fast it is. 0.98. So I will need to click on confirm. It's going to be submitted. It will be submitted. Then I will check it. It's going to reflect in my wallet. So let me close this. Let me go back to my wallet. You can see right now I have 19.21 and I withdrew 0.98 there. So in some seconds now, it should be added to this, making 19.21 plus 0.98, 0.98. That should be $20. That should be $20. So let's just check. Let me keep. Okay, you can see now it has turned to 20.19. So let me click on Binance Peg to see my withdrawal history. You can see today I have made like $3 today. 0.9 has been withdrawn. 0.98, $2, 1.6, 3.3, 1.8, 1.8, 1.1. So this is how I have been making money with this platform on daily basis, depending on what I have there. And now I have $20 there. So if you should have $2,000 there, you'll be making 2% daily. If you have $10,000 there, you'll be making 2% of whatever you have in your Binance in your USDT BEP20 account on daily basis. So this is how you can be making money online. You can be making money online. It's very, very safe and secured based on my own knowledge. You can also do your own due diligence research before you jump into it. So thank you so much. This is where I'm going to stop for today. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell and set it to all notification. So if you have any questions concerning this video, feel free to browse, to chat me up on WhatsApp. You can message me through the comment box of this video also. I'm going to reply your messages as soon as possible. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you. Till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all and bye for now.